I were you. So who is I here?
Intruder.
Is I, and he wanted to become and lead a life of Gerard. Okay, the author of this story, the playwright. Is it clear? So here he is telling the story to him, like where we were. Yes, we were just discussing that the intruder is asking about the information and gathering information about Gerard, and Gerard is telling to him everything. Like first he told him his childhood story, but he was not like intruder was not interesting to get the and to listen the story of his childhood. Okay, he just wanted to know that whatever the life he is living now at the present time, isn't it? So and almost the dressing sense is the same, almost same, like he also wearing the long coat. Okay, and he was also, but there was a difference. So we'll understand in the next part of this that we are going to start now. Okay. So we see at the last moment that what the discussion was going on when Gerard said that at last a sympathetic audience, I'll tell you the story of my life. Like he told the story of his childhood to him first. Okay, then intruder said that he was not interested to listen the story of his childhood. So he was going to get something else that he should tell us, tell him whatever he now leading his life in what way. Was okay. Then Gerard said, and if I don't answer, Miss, he replied that if he is not going to give answer, then what will happen with it? Okay. So then intruder replied that he had enough sense. If he is not going to answer him, then he will definitely shoot him or hurt him. Okay. So in this thing, Gerard said, you have got, I think good sense is shown more in the ability of avoid pain than in the mere desire to do so. Okay. What do you think, Mr. Like he wanted to know the name of the intruder. Okay, that was a strange person. So, do you understand the meaning of these lines? What is he saying? Like he was just confusing the intruder by saying these words. Like according to you, you are saying the sense is to hide the pain. Okay, कि इंट्रूडर का कहना है कि पेन को हाइड करना, अपने पेन को शो ना करना समझदारी होगी, isn't it? या उससे ज्यादा वो जो अपना पेन होते हुए भी ये डिजायर करे कि वो छुपाने की कोशिश करे कि नहीं उसको कोई पेन नहीं है ऐसा कुछ दिखाए, isn't it? तो यहाँ पर ऑथर जो गेरार्ड है वो कहते हैं कि अगर आप ये समझते हो कि मैं बार बार आपसे कहे जाऊं कि डोंट शूट मी, डोंट शूट मी, डोंट लाइक मेरे ऊपर गन मत चलाना, तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं होगा कि मेरे अंदर बहुत ज्यादा सेंस है और मैं बहुत ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट हूँ, राइट? बल्कि मैं इंटेलिजेंट तब हूं अगर मैं तुम्हें गोली ना ही चलाने दूं, अगर तुम गोली ना चला पाओ तो मैं इंटेलिजेंट हूं, isn't it? That is my sense. Then intruder, then he asked the name of him. Okay, so intruder denied to tell his name because he just said to him that it shouldn't be his work and duty to know the name of intruder. Okay, later on he will be telling his everything about himself. So that time Gerard said, intruder asked his name, the actual name, the first name, that is Christian. Okay, the name from him. So he told his name. What was his name? Vincent Charles Gerard. Okay. Then intruder asked if he has a car. Okay, or he runs a car. Then what he replied? No. He said no. Why did he say no? Because in the first he replied differently, like he was not telling truth. Okay, but intruder was sure about it that definitely he runs a car. So he then said, intruder said that that's a lie. You are not dealing with a fool. Means intruder makes him sure that he was also having much sense, like he was also smarter than Gerard. Okay, actually we see the Gerard is smarter than intruder, but intruder saying those words to Gerard that don't, like Gerard shouldn't be feel him a foolish person. Okay, because intruder is also according to intruder he is also smarter than Gerard. Okay, and he also knew everything about him, that he runs a car. Okay, and whatever the history is, just he wanted to listen all those things about him too by himself. Okay. Then Gerard said, no. Are you American or is that merely a clever imitation. Imitation means to copy someone, to imitate someone. Okay, किसी की नकल करना. तो यहाँ पर गेराल्ड पूछते हैं उनसे कि क्या आप अमेरिकन हो और जस्ट यू आर ट्राइंग टू कॉपी द अमेरिकन लैंग्वेज, लाइक अमेरिकन एसेंट. ओके, कि सिर्फ तुम अमेरिकन एसेंट को कॉपी करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो या तुम वास्तव में ही अमेरिकन हो. दैट टाइम इंट्रूडर लिसन, इंट्रूडर सेज लिसन, this gun's no toy. I can hurt you without killing you and still get my answers. Okay, then intruder straightforwardly says to Gerard that don't try to make me fool because this gun in my hand is not a toy, it's a real gun. So without killing you I can hurt you, so that will be better if you rather than asking the different questions you will be telling the answers of my question. Okay, then Gerard said, of course, if you put it like that, I will be glad to assist you. I do possess a car and it's in the garage round the corner. Okay, in the garage round the corner. So Gerard replied that if you will be pointing this gun at me like that, so definitely I will be assist you to my garage. Okay, where is my car? Is it clear? मतलब मैं तुम्हें वहां तक लेके जाऊंगा, अगर तुमने मेरे ऊपर ऐसे ही पॉइंट आउट करके रखी है गन तो मैं तुम्हें डेफिनेटली असिस्ट करते हुए अपनी कार तक ले जाऊंगा. मीन्स ही फाइनली एक्सेप्टेड दैट ही हैज अ कार और एग्री टू ब्रिंग द पर्सन टू इंट्रूडर टू हिज कार. इंट्रूडर, दैट्स बेटर, डू पीपल ऑफन कम आउट हियर. ओके, अब इंट्रूडर रिप्लाई करता है कि नाउ ही हैज कम ऑन द पॉइंट, मीन्स गेरार्ड हैज कम ऑन द point according to him. ये अच्छी बात है. Then he said, he asked the next question that how many people visit to Gerard, कि कितने लोग हैं जो ऑलमोस्ट गेरार्ड को विजिट करते हैं, मतलब ज्यादातर कौन लोग उसको विजिट करते हैं, कौन लोग उसके पास आते जाते हैं. ओके, देन गेरार्ड रिप्लाइड, very rarely, surprisingly few people take the trouble to visit him. Means according to him only few people are there to visit him regularly, rarely. Like there is a baker and a greengrocer, of course, and baker, greengrocer, of course, and then there is a milkman and quite charming, but no one so interesting as yourself. Okay, means baker, greengrocer and milkman, like milkman is a cheerful person, they charming person, they visit to him to provide those things, okay, his needs. Clear? But from those people no one is interested like intruder. Okay, because as intruder is taking interest to know about himself and his stories and whatever the life is living, so no one think about like that. Okay, about him. The intruder said, I happen to know that you never see tradespeople. Here this intruder is telling to him that he has come to know about Gerard, that he doesn't visit to the people or doesn't meet the people like tradesmen, sellers or any shopkeeper. कि मैंने सुना है कि तुम शॉपकीपर से या ट्रेडमैन से बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिलते हो. Then Gerard says, you seem to have taken a considerable amount of trouble since you know so much about me. Won't you say something about yourself? You have been so modest. Okay, as intruder is telling many of the things about Gerard to him. Okay, Gerard के बारे में वो बहुत पहले से कुछ जानता है, जान करके ही आया है और अब वो Gerard से उन चीजों को क्लैरिफाई कर रहा है कि that are true or not. ओके, वो जानने की कोशिश कर रहा है उन सब बातों को कहते हुए कि जो बातें उसने सुनी है गेरार्ड के बारे में क्या वो सच में सही है या नहीं है. तो उससे ऐसा लग रहा है गेरार्ड को कि इंट्रूडर बहुत पहले से उसके बारे में इतना सब कुछ जान के आया हुआ है. देन गेरार्ड सेड दैट यू सीम हैव टेकन अ कंसिडरेबल अमाउंट ऑफ ट्रबल सिंस यू नो सो मच अबाउट मी, कि आप मेरे बारे में तो इतना सब कुछ जानते हो, बट विल यू नॉट टेल एनीथिंग एल्स अबाउट योरसेल्फ, एंड क्या तुम मुझे कुछ भी अपने बारे में नहीं बताओगे. यू लुक लाइक अ मॉडेस्ट, कि तुम एक मॉडेस्ट पर्सन हो. मॉडेस्ट डू यू नो, अ हम्बल पर्सन हु जस्ट नो like who collect information or who just doesn't give a matter to himself. Okay, he doesn't tell the his own talks and on himself, जो अपने बारे में बातें ना करके, अपने खुद के बारे में बातें ना करके किसी दूसरे के बारे में ज्यादा बातें करता हो, isn't it? So that person is called down to earth, humble, जो दूसरों पर ज्यादा टेंशन देता हो अपने आपकी वजह, isn't it? तो कहता है कि how humble you are, isn't it? Because you are having so much knowledge about me, but you are not telling a single thing about yourself, isn't it? When intruder said, I could tell you plenty, okay, you think you are smart, but I am the top of the class round here, okay, and I have got brain. He will be going to tell Gerard everything about himself, means most of the things about himself, कि वो बहुत कुछ उसको बताएगा गेरार्ड को अपने बारे में इंट्रूडर, लेकिन अभी वो क्या कहता है, that you think you are smart, कि क्या तुम्हें लगता है तुम बहुत ज्यादा स्मार्ट हो, but I think you forgot that I am smarter than all, okay, I am the smartest one here, कि मैं यहाँ पर सभी में ज्यादा स्मार्ट हूँ, I have a brain, मेरे पास ब्रेन है और मैं उसका इस्तेमाल भी सही से करना जानता हूँ. Who said these things? Intruder. Okay, and how I have got where I have, और इसी से ये बात प्रूव करती है कि मैं यहाँ कैसे आया हूँ, means that is my smartness that I reached this place or visited this place. Okay, then Gerard said, and where precisely have you got? It didn't require a great brain to break into my little cottage. अच्छा, तो तुम अपने ब्रेन का इस्तेमाल करके मेरे इस छोटी सी कॉटेज की विंडो तोड़ करके अंदर आए हो, है ना, अंदर घुसे हो. So this you think that you have used your brain, कि एक छोटी सी कॉटेज की विंडो तोड़कर एंट्री करने को तुम अपने ब्रेन का सही यूज समझते हो, like smarter use. Then intruder said, when you know why I have broken into your little cottage, you will be surprised, and it won't be a pleasant surprise. Okay, means when it will come to know you that why I have broken your cottage and entered in your cottage, कि मैंने क्यों इस छोटी सी कॉटेज को के अंदर एंट्री की है या मैं घुसा हूँ, then you will be surprised. Okay, when you will come true about it, जब तुमको सच की जानकारी होगी, जब तुम्हें सच पता चलेगा, कि मैं रीजन पता चलेगा why I entered this cottage, okay, so that will be a pleasant surprise for you. तब तुम you will be shocked by getting this truth or not reason. Okay, okay, so when intruder replied that Gerard will be shocked by getting the reason or purpose of the intruder, that why he has entered and visited to this cottage, then Gerard says, with you fluttering so largely in it, that is understandable. By the way, what particular line of crime do you embrace? Embrace means to adapt something, कुछ लेना, okay, and or aren't you a specialist? Means here Gerard asked that like precisely means that where you got and have you got didn't require a great brain to break into my little cottage. When he asked that, मुझे नहीं लगता कि तुमने बहुत ज़्यादा अपने ब्रेन का एक सही डायरेक्शन में इस्तेमाल किया है to enter in this little cottage, because this is a very little place. After that, Gerard asked him that in what line he just tried to do the crime. Okay, like he is the specialist of which crime, कि वो किस टाइप का क्राइम करता है, किस टाइप की क्राइम की लाइन में वो है. ओके, और इज ही नॉट अ स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफ एनी क्राइम, या फिर वो सभी क्राइम थोड़े थोड़े कर लेता है, किसी भी एक पर्टिकुलर क्राइम में स्पेशलिस्ट नहीं है, वो ये जानने की कोशिश करता है. हु? Gerard. Okay, from intruder. Then intruder says my specialty is jewel robbery. Okay, jewel robbery. Your car will do me a treat. It's certainly a dandy bus. Dandy means stylish. Okay, stylish or excellent. Then according to intruder that he is a jewel robbery specialist. Okay, and Gerard car will help him to do this because it is a stylish and a very excellent car. Okay, ये एक बहुत अच्छी कार है जो उसको हेल्प करेगी. एक डैंडी बस वो उसको बोलता है, isn't it? मतलब उसके मटेरियल को कैरी करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश और बहुत अच्छी बस है का काम ये करेगी कार। Okay, Gerard said, I am afraid jewels are few and far between in the wilds of Essex. Essex means like the cottage where he is living. Okay, that this is in a very like wild area. Okay, ये एक जंगल है, सुनसान जगह है, तो यहाँ पर तो दूर से दूर तक कोई ज्वेलरी नहीं है, isn't it? So why did you choose this place for jewel robbery? Okay, that is why he was surprised. Who? Gerard was surprised. When intruder replies, so are the cops. I can retire here nicely for a little while. Okay, when he said that you will be not going to get any jewel from this place because you can't see here any jewelry. Okay, so why did you come here? So that time intruder replied that so are the cops. I can retire here nicely for a little while and not be while. Okay, means if jewelry you can't see here, so you can't also see here cops. Cops means policemen. Okay, so I will be leading a very retired life in this place कि मैं यहाँ आराम से रह सकूँगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर अगर ज्वेलरी नहीं तो यहाँ पुलिस भी तो नहीं है, isn't it? So he is just hiding himself from the police, isn't it? He is trying to escape himself from police. Then Gerard said, you mean to live with me? A trifle sudden, isn't it? You have not been invited. Trifle means yes, a little of something, a very little of something. किसी भी चीज का बहुत थोड़ा सा कुछ होना. तो यहाँ पर Gerard कहता है कि अच्छा तो तुम्हारा ये मतलब है that you are going to live with me, isn't it? And a trifle sudden, isn't it? अरे मुझे तो अब जानने में आया, मतलब अचानक से मुझे ये बात जानने में आई. ट्रिफल सडन मीन्स बहुत जल्दी अचानक से मुझे ये बात जानने में आई दैट यू हैव नॉट बीन इनवाइटेड, लेकिन तुम्हें किसी ने इनवाइट तो किया नहीं यहाँ मेरे साथ रहने के लिए. देन इंट्रूडर रिप्लाइज और सेज यू वुड बी हियर लॉन्ग, कि तुम यहाँ ज्यादा लंबे टाइम तक नहीं रहोगे. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू लिव हियर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. ओके, so I didn't trouble to ask. That is why I didn't take any permission from you. Why he is saying like that? Because Gerard said that he didn't invite to him to live with him in this cottage. Okay, कि Gerard ने उसको invite नहीं किया है. So that time intruder replies or says that Gerard is not going to live in this place for a long time because that is why he is not going to live in this place for a long time. That is why he didn't think to take the permission of him. Okay, इसलिए उसने सोचा ही नहीं कि उसको उससे परमिशन लेनी चाहिए. That is why he didn't ask from him. Then Gerard said, what do you mean? Intruder said, this is your big surprise. I am going to kill you. तब जो Gerard है वो थोड़ा सरप्राइज हो जाता है, कहता है कि तुम्हारे कहने का मतलब क्या है. Then intruder said, that is your surprise, कि यही तो तुम्हारा सरप्राइज है, that I am going to kill you. Means you are not going to live here for a long time because I am going to kill you. And Gerard said, a little harsh, isn't it? Harsh means to be rude. Okay, कि अभी भी जो तुमने कहा ये बहुत ज्यादा harsh नहीं हो गया, कुछ रूड नहीं लगा तुम्हें बोलने में. Intruder said with heavy sarcasm. Sarcasm means like whatever you are going to say that has the different meaning. जो भी आप लोग कह रहे हो आपके वर्ड से आपका जो मीनिंग है वो मैच नहीं करता. दैट इज कॉल्ड sarcasm. ओके, सो विद हैवी sarcasm, या आई विल बी सॉरी टू डू इट. मैं माफी चाहता हूँ ये करने के लिए, बट आई हैव टेकन अ फैंसी टू यू, क्योंकि अब मैं भी तुम्हें लाइक करने लगा हूँ. फैंसी टू यू मीन्स नाउ आई ऑल्सो लाइक यू. ओके, क्योंकि अब मैं भी तुम्हें पसंद करने लगा हूँ, सो इट विल बी टू हार्ड फॉर मी टू किल यू, isn't it? But kill you, but it is just got to be done. पर अब तो करना ही होगा because no option is there. Okay. When Gerard said, why add murder to your other crimes? It's a grave step you are taking. Grave step means a very serious task. Okay, a very serious task. So he is saying that specialist of jewel robbery. Okay, and you are going to commit another crime, and another crime, that is a murder. Okay, so why are you going to kill me? Means why are you going to do another crime, that you going to murder someone? Okay, that will be a very serious task. Don't do this. Okay, then intruder said, I am not taking it for fun. मैं कोई मजे के लिए नहीं किल करने वाला तुम्हें और मर्डर करने वाला हूँ. I have been hunted long enough. He has already murdered someone. Got it? वो कहता है कि मैं पहले ही एक मर्डर कर चुका हूँ. I am wanted for murder already. और मैं wanted हूँ. वो क्या है? Wanted है who is just trying to hide himself from the police. जो कि पुलिस से अपने आप को बचा करके भाग रहा है. Isn't it? He is wanted. So and they can't hang me twice. और एक ही क्राइम के लिए मुझे 2 बार तो मारा नहीं जा सकता. मुझे जो सजा हैंड किया जाएगा, पनिशमेंट मिलेगा, तो वो मुझे 2 बार तो दे नहीं सकते. दोनों मर्डर की भी एक ही सजा होगी और एक मर्डर की भी एक ही सजा होगी. That will not be a serious crime for me. Okay. Then Gerard said, you are planning a gratuitous double. Okay, gratuitous double. So to speak, admitted you have nothing to lose. Nothing to lose. But what have you to gain? Okay. अब गेरार्ड कहता है, गेरार्ड says gratuitous means to do something without reason. To do something without reason. Okay, you are planning a gratuitous double. मतलब again you are planning this crime without any purpose or without any reason. Okay, कि तुम मुझे बिना किसी रीजन के मारने वाले हो. Okay, I can understand there is nothing that you are going to lose. कि चलो तुम कुछ खोने वाले तो नहीं हो मुझे मार करके, but what is there that you are going to gain after killing me? Okay, कि मुझे मारकर तुम्हें मिलने क्या वाला है? Just wanted to know. Who? गेरार्ड. कि तुमने कहा मुझे मारने वाले हो, चलो तुम कुछ खोगे तो नहीं मुझे मार करके, बट तुम्हें मिलने क्या वाला है मुझे मार करके? Then intruder said, I have got freedom to gain. I will be free after killing you. कि तुम्हें मार करके मैं आजाद हो जाऊंगा. Okay. As for myself, I am a poor hunted rat. अभी तो मैं एक क्रिमिनल हूँ. Poor hunted rat. एक मर्डरर हूँ जो कि अपने आप को छुपाता फिर रहा है, बचाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. Okay. But as Vincent Charles Gerard, I am free to go places and do nothing. Okay, or I can eat well and sleep and without having to be ready to beat it. To be ready to beat it means to leave immediately. To leave immediately at the sight of a cop. Okay, कि अभी तो मैं छुपने की हर जगह छुपते रहता हूँ. Isn't it? Because I am a criminal now. Okay, and I am a wanted. पुलिस मेरा पीछा कर रही है, मैं वांटेड हूँ और मैं एक मर्डरर हूँ जो कि भागता रहता है. एक मैं क्या हूँ, वो क्या बताता है अपने आप को? मैं एक हंटेड रैट हूँ. ओके, जो छुपता फिर रहा है इधर उधर. Isn't it? But when I will be Vincent Charles Gerard, so I'll be free. Okay, and I'll be living a very happy and retired life. मैं बहुत आरामदायक लाइफ जी रहूँगा. मैं अच्छे से कहीं भी प्लेसेस को विजिट कर सकता हूँ. मैं आराम से कहीं भी बैठ के खा सकता हूँ. Isn't it? और मुझे पुलिस के डर से जल्दी से कहीं भी प्लेस छोड़ करके छुपने की जरूरत नहीं होगी. Then Gerard said, in most melodramas, the villain is foolish enough to delay his killing long enough to be frustrated. You are much luckier. Okay? Frustrated means extend. Okay? So Gerard कहता है कि मैंने अब अधिकतर जितने भी मेलोड्रामास देखे हैं उनमें जो विलन होता है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा बेवकूफ होता है. Isn't it? वो अपने आप को बचाने के लिए भागते रहता है, स्कीम्स बनाता रहता है बचने की, है ना? लेकिन तुम कितने लकी होंगे, मतलब यू आर लकीर देन दोज विलेन. तुम उन विलेन से बहुत ज्यादा लकी हो बिकॉज यू हैव जस्ट चूजन अ वे टू टू बी एक्सटेंड करने के लिए कि तुम जो है वो अपने आप को फ्रस्ट्रेटेड करता रहता है, एक्सटेंड करता रहता है जो विलन होता है. लेकिन तुम बहुत ज्यादा लकी हो क्योंकि तुम बहुत जल्दी ही सारी कहानी को एंड कर देने वाले हो. ओके. Intruder said, I am okay. Okay. So from this line we'll be discussing tomorrow that what we reply to Gerard. Okay.